welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you some mistakes and the corrections for the heading 1. So without any further ado, let's get started. Mistake number 1 is forgetting to click on the run button. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, I'm in a brand new project. So now, let's go to line 9, which is right over here, and type one heading. So there, let's click on the arrow icon on our keyboard and type H, and let's choose the first option, which is H1, which is this one. Just like that. Make sure to click on the end arrow icon, just like that. And next, let's just type the text. So I'm going to type, for example, heading 1, just like that. So now, you must be wondering, okay, if you have typed the heading, then why isn't it previewing or running in the web view? Well, it's simply because we haven't clicked on the run button. So now, let's click on the run button. Just like that, you can see our amazing text has been loaded. Mistake number 2 is not typing the right text. Let me show you what I mean. So do you remember in the previous lesson, which was about challenges and solutions, I had told you in challenge number 1 to type your name, right? So to do that, you would just go to line number 9, which is right over here, and you would click on the arrow icon, type H1, and you would type H1 and click on the end arrow icon, right? So over here, let's type the text that we needed to type. So in the challenge number 1 in the previous lesson, we needed to type our name, right? So to do that, right over here, between these two H1s, we would just type our name, right? But when you're typing your name, make sure to not type anything else, because you needed to type your name, right? So let's type the name. My name is Trisha. And now, let's make sure we click on the run button. Just like that, you can see our amazing text has been loaded in the web view right over here. Mistake number 3 is not choosing the right type of heading. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see, I'm in a brand new project. So now, in line 9, let's click on the arrow icon, type H1, just like that. But when you're typing H1 or when you're choosing H1, make sure to not choose like H2 or H3, okay? So make sure to choose the right type of heading. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.